Hello again. I just thought I'd show you some of my collection. Here is the E3001, complete with pantograph. It's in fairly good condition, just needs a bit of a clean up with soap and water, otherwise it's in fine condition. And here is a little prized possession I picked up, which is a 2-car unit DMU from the SPT in Glasgow. I was quite pleased to get those. This is Walter K. Wigham, British Railways 60028, still in the box. There you go, that was $55. And here is a mallard in British Railways green, in very good condition, just waiting to be run. Let's move things around a little bit here. And in this box we've got something pretty special. This is the West Highland line of ScotRail. You see the number there, E4623, and the little Scotty dog, and of course West Highland there in the green and yellow colours. And on the bottom, this was hand painted by this individual, Dormer, I think the guy's name was. And you know, I was very lucky. These are Lima coaches, and the guy did just a wonderful job of painting them. And all we need to do is get some passengers in there and we'll be all set. And that is that's a 6-car set that I've got. They're all in just excellent condition. In fact, there is a passenger in that one there, and there's a few more. So the guy did a great job in converting these Lima coaches, and included a few passengers. So very pleased with that, and you know, we can pull that with a black 5 and we'll be all set. Another item that I've got here is the APT. Now I'm now very fortunate to actually have 2 of these, and got them at just great prices. I'm very lucky to do so. And there's a power unit for one of them. It's ScotRail 49003, City of Derby. Can't see that there, the camera isn't focusing too well. So we'll get them running at some point. And you know, I have the box over there for the one set. So and there's a few other, there's a 462 Northeastern 4481, and you know what that one is. Got Britannia in there as well, and a couple of car carriers which I'm going to make up into a complete train. Eventually, when I get a layout in, I'm going to have a few appropriate buses. This is the Western bus line, which was synonymous with Glasgow. Changed its colours over the years, but that's an excellent example. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed looking at this, and here's one here, grain carrier. I've got a whole set of those, maybe 10 or 12 of those will make up the train, and hopefully at some point I'll be able to show you most of these. There's the Phoenix, pantographs in a state of disrepair. I'll need to work on that one. And there you go, 6244, and there's the tender for it. I've also got the blue one of that, so we've got quite a reasonable variety of things here. And as I said, once we get the layout set up, we'll be able to run these and people can see what I've got. Anyway, nice of you to drop by. Thanks. Till the next time, bye.